Support for cryptocurrency regulation in the United States is bipartisan and bicameral, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, shared in a January 3 Twitter thread that he's cautiously optimistic about the United States gaining breakthrough regulatory clarity for the cryptocurrency industry in 2023. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. To mark the first day of the 118th Congress, Garlinghouse shared his hopes of 2023 being the year the U.S. gained regulatory clarity for crypto, adding that support for regulation is bipartisan and bicameral. Garlinghouse said the U.S. was not starting with a blank slate for regulation, referencing bills such as the Securities Clarity Act, the Responsible Financial Innovation Act, and the Clarity for Digital Tokens Act as examples. According to the Ripple CEO, the stakes couldn't be higher. He added that no bill is perfect and there likely never will be one that satisfies everyone, and attempts to pursue a perfect bill shouldn't stall Congress' progress in creating crypto regulations and legislation. The U.S. is behind Singapore, the European Union, Brazil, and Japan when it comes to crypto legislation and regulations, Garlinghouse opined. He claimed the lack of a coordinated effort to implement a regulatory framework both globally and in the U.S. continues to push business to countries with lower regulatory bars, resulting in sometimes catastrophic results, such as the implosion of Bahamas headquartered FTX. Ripple is a financial technology company operating the RippleNet global payment network along with its cryptocurrency XRP. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple alleging the company sold XRP as an unregistered security. The SEC argued Ripple raised billions through XRP sales and failed to register the offerings as securities as required by law. Ripple denied the allegations, claiming XRP as a currency, not a security. In October, Garlinghouse told panelists at the DC FinTech Week conference that he expects the case against the firm to conclude during the first half of 2023, but admitted that it was hard to predict. The case is still ongoing with no clear sign of when it will end. On Tuesday, XRP fell by 1.21%. Partially reversing a 2.76% rally from Monday, XRP ended the day at $0.34364. Significantly, XRP revisited 35 cents for a second consecutive session before easing back. A bullish start to the day saw XRP rise to a mid-morning high of $0.35174 before hitting reverse. Coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3682, XRP slid to a mid-afternoon low of $0.34048. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3142, XRP revisited $0.3460 before easing back. There were no material updates from the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case to move the dial. The lack of material updates from the SEC v. Ripple case left investors to track the broader crypto market. Fed fear gripped the global financial markets as the U.S. markets reopened after the holidays. A resurgent dollar weighed on riskier assets as investors wait today's FOMC meeting minutes. Hawkish minutes and better than expected U.S. economic indicators would test support for riskier assets today. U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI and JOLTS job openings will be in focus ahead of the FOMC meeting minutes. While the stats, the minutes, and the Nasdaq index will provide direction, the SEC v. Ripple case remains the key driver. It is a busy start to the year. Today, non-parties must file motions to seal any summary judgment materials that differ from the redactions and sealing treatments requested by the parties. More importantly, parties are due to file oppositions to omnibus motions to seal on January 9 and Daubert motions by January 13. While the filings will draw interest, investors continue to await two court rulings that may decide the outcome of the case and the future of the SEC as a crypto regulator. One pivotal ruling relates to the William Hinman speech-related documents. The SEC is attempting to shield selected content from the public. Following more than 6 failed attempts at preventing the documents from becoming public, the latest move could be a last-ditch effort before considering a settlement. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacher, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacher. The second ruling is on the summary judgment reply briefs. At the time of writing, XRP was up 0.81% to $0.34641. A mixed start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of $0.34246 before rising to a high of $0.34776. XRP needs to avoid the $0.3453 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3501 and the Tuesday high of $0.35174. A return to 35 cents would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, XRP would likely test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.3565 and resistance at 36 cents. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.3678. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level, S1, at $0.3388 into play. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-$0.33. The second major support level, S2, at $0.3340 should limit the downside. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.3228. Court rulings on the SEC v. Ripple case would remove the influence of the support and resistance levels. The EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bearish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat below the 100-day EMA, currently at $0.35094. The 50-day EMA flattened on the 100-day EMA, while the 100-day EMA eased back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were mixed. A move through R1, $0.3501, and the 100-day, $0.35094, would give the bulls a run at the R1, $0.3565, and the 200-day EMA, $0.36245. However, a fall through the 50-day EMA, $0.34570, would bring S1, $0.3388, and sub-$0.3350 into view. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.